Diesel wants out of the top box. Diesel. Yeah, excuse me, is that for you? That's not for you. Okay, bye. Hi everyone and happy Thursday. Today we are actually going to do a TopBox unboxing. I have never received anything from TopBox before. I did want to try some new subscription boxes, which is why I signed up for Glossybox and TopBox. And I wanted to talk a little bit about my experience with both. Well, not with both, with TopBox, but you'll see Glossybox in other videos. Diesel seems to be really into this package. He keeps trying to steal it from me, so he's just below me trying to take it out of my hands. Let's try that again. So, this was ordered in mid-April. They did send a notification with my order saying it would ship in the next cycle, so on the 15th of May. It actually did ship on this Tuesday, which was... It did actually ship on the 15th and got here on the 17th, so it only took 2 days to ship, which is pretty incredible. It was $12 and after tax and no shipping, there's free shipping, it was $13.56 Canadian. So this is actually a pretty good deal so far. I know I haven't actually opened it, but for a Canadian, we always end up paying for extra shipping and we always end up paying exchange, so a $21 box becomes close to a $40 box. Anyway, let's just get into my first impression and how I feel about this. So the TopBox does come in this little tubey. I know Rach Loves has done a lot with TopBox. I'll try and insert some history down below because I didn't look that closely into the subscription before I signed up for it. I had just heard about it, so I was like, let's give it a go. It did come with a 5,000 point coupon for Shoppers Drug Mart, so obviously this is for strictly Canadians, which is pretty sweet. And let's just bust this little tubey open. This is definitely going to become a dog toy. Okay, so there is a little card in here. Talks about... Sorry, there's two little things in here. There's a little card in here that talks about a kit you can buy at topbox.ca for $50. Why did I receive this card? This card contains all the exclusive offers available for all TopBox members. We hope you take advantage of all these sweet deals. So there's about 15 products in this box that is for $49, which is not so bad. There's also some coupons in here for a brand called Simple. So we have 2 coupons so far. So this is a complimentary sample and it's a cleansing facial wipe from Simple. I'm assuming this is going with this. This seems like a more promotional box than a subscription box so far, but we'll see. We'll see what's in here. We'll see if it really does end up being a good deal. So there is this like tissue paper that it's wrapped in. So first thing I'm grabbing here is a Tarte's lip paint. This is in the shade FOMO, I believe it looks like. This does look very similar to the Tarte's lip paint that came in their holiday collection, the little teeny tiny one. And the brush picked up a ton of product. So that is the shade. One thing I do notice actually looking at this, there's no card saying how much anything is worth, so it is legitimately just samples. But honestly, they're not too bad. I don't mind the shade. It's like a deeper rose. Next product in here is the Elizabeth Arden Super Start Skin Renewal Booster. It is a deluxe sample size. Don't really know what this is for. A healthy surface layer is vital to radiant, youthful looking skin. Super Start Skin Renewal Booster works holistically to restore the healthy look of your skin's essential surface layer, fortifying its natural ability to repair and renew. Use it morning and night and see better results from your skincare regime. To use smooth onto face, clean face, day and night before applying serum and or moisturizer. Not afraid to give that a go. This does seem like something that Sephora would give away for free though. Next sample in here is a little teeny tiny Glam Glow Water Burst. This is a mask. Apply evenly to freshly cleansed face and neck every morning or night. Is this a mask? No, this is a moisturizer. This is probably not something I would have bought, but I'm, again, okay trying it out. Like, that's why I like subscription boxes, is because there's tons of products that I get that I would not necessarily have actually bought or tried or even considered before doing that. So we are up to 2 skincare, 1 makeup, and then the last one is a Delectable Body Butter Cream. I have a friend who really likes the Delectable products. It's still sealed. Of course it's still sealed. So these are like a drugstore product that you can buy. They were at ipsy/Generation Beauty last year and gave out a ton of stuff. I really like the smell. I will definitely give them that. The smell of their body butters is great. So I'm going to give this a try because I want to. And it's a free country. Oh, it smells very sweet. It's like, almost has like an after smell of black licorice. Is that weird? It's like really, really sweet, and then it like rolls into like a mild black licorice, and then it just smells super, super clean. I kind of like the smell. Wasn't sure at first. Okay, so basically what we ended up with was 4 sample products for $12. I had already tried the Tarte's lip paint, but that's all right. It's not like I don't use them. I use them all the time. And then 2 skincare and 1 body butter, which I guess is technically a skincare. There is no real explanation for what the theme of the box is or why those specific samples are included or what they're worth or anything about them really, which I find a little bit weird. But I guess at the end of the day, you are really just signing up to get samples. Overall, I would say this whole experience was maybe like a 3.5 out of 5. I really like the price. The shipping was kick-ass. I like that you don't have to sign up for any X amount of time. You can just do month to month at $12. I like that the shipping was free. You also have the option to customize your favorites and your kind of wish list. They did send me an email a few days before it shipped, basically asking me yes and no on a few products, but I don't know if I actually did that survey. I just remember seeing it. And we also did get the 1 extra sample and a couple of coupons. So in my next month's TopBox, what I'm going to do is I will actually review some of these products, and I will make sure that I find out a little bit more about the company, because I am kind of thinking it's Canadian. Where did this come from? This actually came from North York, which is basically Toronto, so not too far from me, which explains why it came in like a day. Anyway, guys, let me know what your experiences are with TopBox and if there is any other subscription boxes I should try out, because now I'm kind of curious.